guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, karibu sana. My name is Happinessmajoni, and if you're a returning subscriber, you know the love I got for you. So today, today is just today. So today being the last Friday, being the last day of the year 2021, I am back again with another video, and this time video is not the normal videos that I do. This is a very more of a thankful video. This is a video that I am going to be doing. It is basically being grateful for the year lessons I have learned, things that I have come to know at my old age as I am. I've also learned new things, and I am very grateful for knowing all these things before the year ends. Without further ado, let us jump right into the video. I wrote all things that I'm grateful for and things I am thankful for and things that I have learned this year down on a notebook. So if you see me looking down, please just know it's happening. Yeah, something I have learned this year is always trust in God. I saw my friend called Rachel Mugambi. We barely talk, but we've been high school mates for 4 years, and I saw her status that she wrote dear God. So this is actually the point is scratch all that. Dear God, and he's going to come through for you. Take your chances with God, he's going to come through you. Whatever God you pray to, whatever being you pray to, whatever you believe in, they're that thing, and things are going to happen for you. If you don't believe in anything and believe things, just do you. I mean, two, always trust your gut. Oh my goodness, I do not know how I can stress this. Trust your gut. Whatever it is you want to do, whatever decision you want to make, whatever, is it a yes, is it a no concerning anything going on, whatever your gut is telling you, go with that. You know what you deserve, you know what you are worth, you know what you're capable of, so do not take anything less of that, okay? Trust me, this year I have declined many offers from different companies because I believe I know what I am worth and what I bring to the table. I mean, don't you see? I am the table, honey. I'm the table, so I know what I am worth. So that's why I declined some offers, some people to work with, doing business with some people. I just said no. Trust me, these are big companies, and I'm not even worried a bit, because why be basic when you can be extra? Why? Another thing is start now. Whatever it is you want to do, work out, start your YouTube channel, start your business, start going to jog early in the morning, start working out. I already said that. Start your business, start having a relationship, ready to jump into one. Whatever it is you want to do, you better start now, wherever it is, with whatever you have. Many people ask me if I use a camera. Guys, I do not use a camera to do the videos on my phone. I use my phone to do all my videos. Actually, all my videos up to this point, I actually use my phone. I'm so grateful that I started with what I have. I did not have a ring light when I started, so I used to depend on natural lighting, and guess what? When time comes, you can get money to buy the ring light and do your videos at night like I'm doing. So start now, don't be afraid. Something else that I have learned is no one is coming to save you. I know I hear this most of the time, but it had to manifest or reveal itself to me again this year, because no one is coming to save you. It's your life. People do not owe you anything, and you do not owe anyone anything. If you live with that, I believe you're going to be very far in life, and you'll have changed from the person you are to someone who you are going to be, or someone who you want to be in the next future, or someone who you actually are at the moment, because you did what? Set your goals as high as possible. Let me tell you guys, I have all my goals written down. Write down your goals. start with the easiest as you work your way to the hardest. Have a plan of how you're going to achieve this goal bit by bit. You do not have to go all in. No, you can always start bit by bit, and you're going to see progress, and you're going to be very proud of yourself that you actually started doing it bit by bit. Okay. If other people have done it, why can you not do it? Why? What is so different about you? I mean, they have blood, it's red in color despite of their ethnicity. They have blood running in their body, they have a brain, they walk, they are human beings, they have 2 eyes, they have 2 hands. I mean, they have literally everything a human being has, and that includes also something that you have. So I do not see what is so hard. Some of the things that are going on in my life, which I am yet to reveal, which I will be revealing very soon. Some are yet to happen, and I still believe, I am so hopeful that things are going to go positive. So I am also grateful for having good health. Since Corona started, if you guys do not know, I moved out from home in 2020 when Corona had actually started to hit, and things were not easy then, but I caught up and I was up to pace. Since the virus started and the new one, I have not been sick at any point or gotten affected with this particular virus at any point, and I am so hopeful that I was safe all this time and I was able to stay healthy. My heart goes out to those people who lost their loved ones because of the said virus. Take heart. That's all I can say for now. I've not been sick except for 1 week ago. I just got food poisoning, but I am okay now, as you can see. The devil has no chance with me. I'm not one of his. God tapped on my shoulder and told him, she's mine. She is mine. Something else that I'm grateful for that I did not share with you guys, it was in I think March this year, I got monetized on YouTube. So March this year, early this year, I got monetized on YouTube. I know I have not said anything about it because I was waiting for the right time, and I believe this is the right time to say so because it's a gratitude video and what I've learned. So I'm very grateful for you guys for enabling me to get to the requirements that I needed on YouTube to get monetized, and I'm so grateful. The check is in officially. Yes. So you guys do not skip my ads that you see. Watch them to the fullest. Like, share, so that you can help with the algorithm on YouTube. Okay. Today is on 18th of May, and I just received my pin from AdSense, and I'm so excited. I already opened it. I literally went to a restaurant, had a meal, like a full course meal, and at the end is when I actually revealed it to myself. I am also grateful that I was able to meet new people in my life who have taught me things that I did not know about, and I've also shared the information that I have with me to them, and I'm so grateful for that. Something else I also learned is do not take anything for granted. Be it your friends, be it what you want to do, be it something, people you meet on the way, people you associate with, people you just talk to randomly. Do not take anything for granted. I believe everything happened for a reason. If it's meant to be, it's meant to be. No one can do anything about it. All they can do is just sit there and watch it happen because it is meant to be. These are just some of the things that I'm grateful for and the things that I have learned in the year 2021 and back. So I'm very grateful to God. As the year comes to an end, I wish you guys happy holidays and happy new year. If you're watching this in 2022, I mean, happy new year. Happy new year. I And guys, January is my birthday month, so if you have any gifts for me, I'm reminding you, if you have any gifts for me, you know where to drop it. You have my email, you have my address. I mean, what else are you waiting for? Do the necessary. So guys, that is it for today's video. If you like it, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down in the comment section, share with your friends and family, subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. In case you want to share what you're grateful for, please feel free to leave a comment down in the comment section so that I can actually see and associate and engage with you guys. I really appreciate your support. I am very grateful. I am about to have a moment, but I'll get myself together. All those things YouTubers say, do that for me. See you guys next year. Take care. I love you all from the bottom of my heart. I love you all. Always remember to work hard, stay humble, and be disciplined. See you in my next one. Bye.